Hi, my name is Kelly Hawk, and I'm the Title IX Coordinator and Institutional Compliance Officer at Lincoln Memorial University. My office handles complaints of discrimination and coordinates the university response to allegations of sexual harassment. I'm going to speak with you today about the university's policy prohibiting discrimination on the basis of sex, including sexual harassment, sexual assault, dating violence, domestic violence, and stalking. I'll also explain to you how to report an incident to the university and how to access resources available to you as an LMU student. It's important that you take the time to review the full policy. It's available at lmunet.edu/Title IX, and that's a Roman numeral, so it's going to be Title IX. The policy includes definitions of prohibited conduct, including how LMU defines sexual harassment, sexual assault, dating violence, domestic violence, and stalking. You'll also find LMU's definitions of consent and incapacitation. These are LMU's expectations of you as students and of our faculty and staff, and it may apply on and off campus. It's very important that you review this policy so that you understand the expectations of behavior here at LMU. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at kelly.hawk@lmunet.edu. To make a report of sexual harassment, you can fill out the Title IX Incident Reporting Form online, or you can call me at 423-869-6618. You can also email me at title9@lmunet.edu or to me directly at kelly.hawk@lmunet.edu. You can also make a report directly to my office. You can find me 2 days a week in the Duncan School of Law, Office 249, or in Grant Lee 115 on the main campus. Additionally, all LMU faculty and staff are mandatory reporters. This means that if you disclose any type of sexual harassment, sexual assault, dating violence, domestic violence, or stalking to an LMU faculty or staff member, they are required to report that information to the Title IX coordinator. Then the Office of Institutional Compliance will contact you to explain supportive measures and reporting options. Reporting an incident to my office does not mean that an investigation will automatically take place. However, if you would like to speak with someone who does not have a mandatory reporting obligation, confidential counseling is available to students free of charge through the LMU Office of Mental Health Counseling. For more information about how to access counseling, you may visit lmunet.edu/counseling or call 423-869-6277. If you call this number after hours, your call will be forwarded to a call center staffed with professional mental health counselors to assist you. This service is available on weekends, holidays, and when the campus is closed for inclement weather. If you experience sexual harassment, sexual assault, dating violence, domestic violence, or stalking, you have the option to submit a formal complaint to LMU. A formal complaint is a written document signed by the person experiencing harassment, which includes the allegations and a request that the university investigate. You can make a formal complaint by submitting the form online at lmunet.edu/Title IX. You may also submit by email to title9@lmunet.edu, or submit in person or by mail to either office location. In most cases, the decision to file a formal complaint is left up to the person experiencing the harassment. There are some cases where the Title IX coordinator may have to file a formal complaint. But in that situation, the complainant still has all the rights as if they filed it themselves. If a formal complaint is filed, the university investigates and holds a live hearing. Parties have a right to review the evidence beforehand, to make an opening and closing statement, and to have an advisor question other parties and witnesses. The hearing panel uses a presumption that the respondent did not violate the LMU policy unless proven by the preponderance of the evidence standard, which means the evidence must show it was more likely than not that the violation occurred. Parties also have the right to an informal resolution, which provides a way to come to an agreement together without a hearing. This option, however, is not available when an LMU employee is accused of harassing a student. Whether or not you file a formal complaint or go through an investigation process, you have the right to supportive measures from the university. LMU wants you to have the support you need to heal and to continue your education. When incidents are reported to the Office of Institutional Compliance, We can work to support the person experiencing harassment directly. We can provide extra security, mutual no contact directives, course schedule changes, and academic accommodations. You also have the right to make a report to the university, to law enforcement, to both, or to neither. If you would like to report information to law enforcement, the Office of Institutional Compliance and Campus Police and Security can help connect you with local law enforcement agencies. For more information about Campus Police and Security, call 423-869-6911. In an emergency, you are encouraged to dial 911 immediately. If you experience sexual assault or sexual violence, you are encouraged to seek medical attention, including a forensic exam performed by a sexual assault nurse examiner within 72 hours of the incident. This does not mean you have to file a police report or report the incident to LMU. The exam will help preserve evidence in case you decide to file a police report at a later date. LMU is committed to maintaining a work and academic environment free from discrimination and harassment. LMU does not tolerate sexual misconduct committed on or off campus by or against any part of the campus community, including faculty, staff, students, or third parties. The university encourages all members of the LMU community to be aware of the consequences of sexual misconduct and the options available to individuals who experience sexual misconduct. If you have any questions, or if I can help support you or your classmates, please contact me by email at kelly.hawk@lmunet.edu or by phone at 423-869-6618.